So how much does a Peppa Campervan kiddie ride? I've wanted some on my camcorder this time, so let's do this. Yeah, I might just make this quick, it's a low battery apparently.
Or press the start button to go. Please insert another key or press the start button to go.
Yeah, I've got low battery apparently.
Press the start button when ready.
And yes. Oh. There's a spoiler going off. Yeah. Never had motion shot in 2023. Yeah. I apologise if I'm monofilm. I apologise if I only filmed Swallow and Peppa Campervan today because I've got low battery on my camcorder for some reason. I do apologise though. There's a bus over there. I've got to very right on it. This one over there already filmed. I don't think the yellow button works. That's it. I don't really think. Yeah, it's Peppa and George there. And that's the back of it. Back of the kiddie ride. No, I was right. The yellow button definitely doesn't work. I do apologise.